Hello everyone, this is Starboy here. Today I am going to share with you the most valuable and the most convenient tool for wireframing. Yes, you guessed it right, the Adobe XD. This can be used for wireframing for beginners as well as for professionals. Firstly, this is a free tool from its parent company Adobe. It's easy to use. There are similar tools out there like Pencil Project, Sketch, Affinity Designer, etc. To be honest, I have used none of it at all. I love the way Adobe XD feels, looks, and it has increased my productivity times greater. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you should download Adobe XD and the link is in the description below. Now let's open the app. In the home page, you can see the different types of layouts from which you can choose from. There is iPhone X or XS, iPad, web, and there is a custom size which you can adjust to your own desire. I'd like to go with the standard web size 1920. It opens into a blank space like this and it is named Untitled 1. And over here you can see options to add shapes like rectangle, ellipse, triangle, line, and the text and the artboard tool. The artboard tool comes in handy where you can add similar size web pages easily, as many as like you want. To add images, you can just drag and drop, or you can use the import option on the left hand side. Now let me rename the project as something like retro shopping. Let me show you how the repeat grid works. First, let me draw these two boxes. And then click on the repeat grid. And I am going to select all this. Using the select tool and clicking the repeat grid, you can just drag this to make the repetitive boxes. You just don't have to go around aligning it properly. You can also adjust the spacing like this. Easy, right? Yes, that's Adobe XD. Repeat grid makes the job a lot more easier and a lot more fun because you don't have to do the repeated jobs. You can concentrate on more creative stuffs. You can set the page size using this blue tag on the side. You can drag it far below or you can raise it above. Using all the features or options I discussed here, let me quickly develop a web page. Here I have finished doing the web page for an e-commerce portal, Shopaholic. It's a simple web page with all the options and the features I have discussed in this video. There are images, options, icons, and the text. Now let's dive into prototyping. First of all, what's prototyping? In Adobe XD, prototyping has a special feature of connecting between different pages. Prototyping actually gives you a final view of how your whole web page or the website looks like. You can click on one page to jump into another. It's just like hyperlink in HTML. You can add hyperlinks to text or the entire page itself. Let me show you here. There is a login button. Let me connect it with the login page. There is a blue tag here. You can drag this to the login page and connect. Now let's go to the preview button and play. Now when you press the login button, it goes directly into the login page. Cool, right? Yes, that's exactly what prototyping is. And as a final note, I would prefer to say that Adobe XD is a well-built tool for beginners as well as professionals. This is more convenient for wireframing. And overall, I would suggest you to start using Adobe XD for your primary wireframing purposes. That's it for the video. If you like the video, do like and share. And if you're new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon. And this is Starboy signing out. Have a great day.